So the one thing that we've been on the road for a couple weeks now. We haven't done laundry in like 12 days. It's time to do laundry. I'm not gonna do the laundry. Katelyn's gonna do the laundry. Thank you.
No problem.
Appreciate it.
Want me to wash your pillowcase?
Yes, please. So this is my laundry situation, okay? All this, it was in that bag, right? I took it out of the bag because Katelyn asked for me to take the laundry. Whatever dirty laundry was dirty. Well, the entire suitcase was dirty. And then she just yelled at me because I didn't just leave it in the suitcase.
Did I yell? Did I really yell?
It was one of those weird stern wife voices that you just know that's like, you better do it.
And said, why don't you go ahead and take off for the day?
So I'm gonna go get some caffeine and edit. Love you.
I too.
Really not a fan of this rain. Good God, this is horrible. Not great for the camera either. The mission today is very simple. I need caffeine.
I see her rolling up, Uber black Cadillac, high heel boots and a sexy body full of tats. Baby's bad, oh baby's hella bad. After her there ain't no coming back. Wanna take a run at that. I think she's feeling me, turn it up a few degrees. My imagination of her body gets the best of me.
Alright, we got food, protein, these are really good, caffeine, and nicotine. 3 major food groups. Let's go to work. Now, usually when we're visiting family, I try and take off to go and edit. It's one of those things that when you're like a content creator, a daily vlogger, or you've run businesses online, like people just don't really understand. And the thing that they don't understand is just because you have a lot of free time doesn't mean that you don't need to spend that free time working on things that you want to grow or build or improve upon. And that's what I'm doing now. But we'll hang out with the family later. I don't think I can wait much longer. I gotta fire up the caffeine. This is the longest I've ever had without caffeine, so I'm in a small pain in the back of my head. There we go. Let's give it a taste. Pretty good. Pretty good.
Her high heels make a damn good statement. There is no replacement, a body by say. She got a bad little waist, and we tearing down this place. Off the liquor that we chase, got some egos to the face. Baby, I don't need no space, coming closer.
Yeah, I'm working from a golf course today. And when I say working from, I mean I'm literally working from my truck in the golf course parking lot. But this golf course is right down the street. There's a bathroom here. And if I get a bunch of work done, maybe I'll hit some range balls. That probably won't happen though. I think it's lunchtime. We just finished editing the Action Takers podcast. It's time to dive into the cookie. I used to carry these like on patrol, like way back in the day. I'd put them in my bag, have them there for kind of an emergency. I haven't had one of these in a while. I went with the double chocolate. I think this will do. Thought I was gonna get a haircut, but the wait was like an hour and a half, and I don't care that much. So instead, Katelyn sent me a list of stuff to go get to the store. So that's what we're gonna do. Headed to Wally World to get some necessary supplies. Beautiful Walmart. Kind of windy today. Not real sure why the cart's wet.
Yeah. Sometimes I get so mad, there's no controlling me. My thoughts get so bad, I'm like, I might grab a bat, I don't know. My wrath, my blood boils over like, oh God, here goes. I lost all feeling from my head to my toes. You said some shit.
What dryer sheets? What does that mean? I'm in the sheet sections, but what do you want? Ultimate Fresh, Suggly Snoft, Odor Blaster,
Probably the, I know I might get like the Walmart brand.
Extra Snug,
I don't know what that means. Anything but Gain.
Ultimate
You
Fresh.
guys are allergic to Gain.
Okay. And how many do we want? 240 sheets? Is that, you're gonna be doing lots of laundry? Got the stuff.
As long as it's not Gain.
It says great value on it. Anything else?
Not that I can think of. I'm assuming we'll probably go to a store depending on what the situation looks like.
Okay.
So, that'll be plenty to get us through
Alright, sounds good.
so we don't starve.
Okay.
Alright?
Alright, bye. Somewhat of a successful trip to Walmart. Just trying to stock up for the family events, family affairs. Someone called me a YouTuber in the wild. It's kind of true. Out in your own element.